This question asks, how many kilocalories are generated when the brakes are used to bring a 2,417 kilogram car to rest from a speed of 77 kilometers per hour? And so the equation that we use here is the energy equation. We need to know what the energy of the car was when it was moving, and that's how many kilocalories are generated by the brakes because it's brought to zero. So all of the energy is going into the brakes. So that equation is E equals 1/2 mv squared, where E is the energy, m is the mass, v is the velocity. And they give us those values. The mass of the car was 2,417 kilograms. The velocity of the car was 77 kilometers per hour. However, this equation uses velocity in units meters per second, so we have to convert 77 kilometers per hour to meters per second. You do that by simply multiplying by 1,000 to get meters and dividing by 3,600 to get seconds. So that's 21.39 meters per second. And then it tells us the conversion, 1 kilocalorie equals 4,000.